If you're like me, you do a lot of different videos on your computer for a number of different things. So, how do you record your screen so that you can show people exactly what it is that you want them to do? Well, there's a wonderful new application that's available from the App Store that's called Screen. Well, let me find it for sure. It's called Screencast. And you can download it from the App Store. It does cost a whole $1.99. So if you're adverse to spending money, that probably won't work for you. But I've got to tell you, for $1.99, it's a great deal. And how do we go do that? Well, let's go to the App Store. Excuse me. And let's type in Screencast. And you can see here it comes up Screencast Screen Recorder. That's the one we want. And yours will say download here. Mine says open because I already have it on my computer. But you would click that. It's going to ask you to add your password so that you pay the $1.99. And once you have that done, it will download to your computer. Once it's downloaded, you'll be able to look at your screen and you'll see this little camera right here. And you can move this thing around wherever you want it. If you don't want it there, you can move it somewhere else. But for right now, let's just leave it here. And you can see that it is recording via the microphone. Now, so if I wanted to walk you through a process like I just did a moment ago on the mail, all I would have to do is open that recorder and start talking and then show you how to do something. For example, I might show you how to reach our website by going to www.havamac.club. And there you are. We're on our website, and you can see the website right there, and I've shown you how to get into that website and how to navigate it. You can record different types of things. You can show pictures if you wanted to take your family on a tour of your latest pictures. This is another new way to do that. Now let's go to photos. And let's suppose I wanted to show you a picture of myself going to the National Airport there in Nampa, where they have a wonderful museum of different types of things for the wars that have happened in the military. You could show them pictures of people, or you could show them pictures of places, whatever you wanted to do. If I wanted to show you pictures from Portland, Oregon, where I visited last time, all I would have to do is go up and I could open one of those pictures and I could show it to you. As you can see, there are an unlimited number of things you could do with that recording. And then when you're done, you just simply go to stop, and that would end the recording. Hopefully that will help.